Okay, I have a lock from Steel Pinnings. On one side it says twins, no key, hard. So we do not have a key for this lock. On the other side he has pinned with OM, GFM, L, OWP or OWFI. Pinned by Steel Pinnings on 8/16. We do not have a key for this lock. It is locked up. We're going to try to use the bottom of the keyway. So let's put it in the vise and open it up, see what kind of pins he's put in it. Okay, bottom of the keyway. Let's use this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. Let's reset it. Okay, let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, we set a little bit on pin 2 and 3 then as we went by it. There's pin 5. Pin 4. Pin 3. Let's release the tension. Okay, there's a good set on pin 3 then. Okay, pin 1. Okay, we're going to change picks now. Get under that pin 2. Okay, and there it is, open. Okay, we don't want to lock it back up. We don't have a key. Okay, let's see if we can slide this out. Okay, this is a plug with the pins. Okay, it has all the pins in it. He has a little cutout here. I believe this would have made it a lot harder to pick if you'd have left this flush on top with the small pin that I believe he has in this side. So let's take a look at these pins. Okay, all the key pins are serrated. Let's take a look at the plug. Okay, he's got threading in 1, 2, and 5. 3 and 4 is not threaded. And like I say, this has been filed out. Okay, let's check our top pins now. Then we'll take a close look at the pins. Okay, there's pin number 5. Looks like an upside down key pin. Okay, that is a homemade spool. Okay. Okay, that's a serrated type pin. No, that's another one of those key pins, upside down key pins, serrated. Okay, that looked like a pin and pin. Oops, let's get number 1 out of there. That goes there in this one. Okay. He hasn't been into the Bible, so no change has been made in the Bible, but let's take a look at these pins just a little closer. Okay, on pin 1 and 2, he has serrated key pins. This is a tapered down key pin. Came out like this. This is a pin and pin. This has a hole all the way through the serrated. Okay, 3 and 4, serrated, serrated. This is a upside down key pin, serrated, homemade spool. On number 5, very small key pin with another upside down key pin, serrated. Okay, Rob, I appreciate this block. Appreciate you pinning it up for me. Thank you very much. And thank you for watching. Please do not do anything illegal. And please stay out of trouble. And thank you again.